Great white sharks can detect 1 part of blood per 10 billion parts of water. That is like smelling a single drop in a swimming pool. 2/3 of a shark brain is dedicated to smell. They do not just detect blood, they smell the electrical fields of heartbeats through the water using special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini. They can determine which direction a smell is coming from, because scent hits one nostril before the other. They steer toward the side that smells it first, like stereo hearing but for smell. Great whites have been tracked swimming in perfectly straight lines toward prey from over a mile away. They locked onto the scent trail and never deviated. Their teeth are disposable. A great white goes through over 30,000 teeth in its lifetime. New rows push forward like a conveyor belt, replacing broken ones within. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth. In a hunting dive called a stoop, it reaches speeds over 240 miles per hour. At that speed, the air pressure would destroy its lungs. So peregrine falcons have special bony tubercles in their nostrils that redirect airflow and let them breathe during the dive. Their eyes process visual information faster than almost any animal. While humans see about 60 frames per second, peregrines see over 200. The world moves in slow motion for them. When they strike prey mid-air at full speed, the impact alone is often fatal. They hit pigeons so hard that feathers explode on contact. Every major city in the world now has peregrine falcons nesting on skyscrapers. They have adapted to use buildings as artificial cliffs for their death dives. A silverback gorilla can lift over 1,800 pounds. The world record for a human deadlift is barely over 1,000. Gorillas are in a completely different category. Their arms are 6 times more powerful than a human arm. They can bend thick steel bars and snap bamboo stalks that would take a human a saw to cut through. Despite this terrifying strength, gorillas are almost entirely vegetarian. They spend their days peacefully eating leaves, stems, and fruit. All that muscle runs on salad. Silverbacks rarely fight. When 2 males confront each other, they beat their chests at over 12 beats per second. The sound carries over a mile through dense forest. Usually the weaker male backs down. Gorillas share 98% of their DNA with humans. They laugh when tickled. They mourn their dead. They teach their children sign language. The polar bear is the largest land predator on Earth. Males weigh up to 1,500 pounds, and they can smell a seal through 3 feet of solid ice. Their sense of smell can detect prey from over 20 miles away. They walk in straight lines across featureless Arctic ice toward food they cannot see. Polar bears are classified as marine mammals. They can swim over 60 miles without stopping. One was tracked swimming 220 miles across open ocean. Their fur is not actually white. Each hair is a hollow, transparent tube that scatters light. Underneath their fur, their skin is completely black to absorb heat. A polar bear paw is 12 inches across. That is the size of a dinner plate. It acts as a natural snowshoe and can kill a seal with a single swipe. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force ever measured. Over 3,700 pounds per square inch. That is 3 times stronger than a lion. But here is the terrifying part. They cannot chew. Their jaw muscles only work in one direction, close. They have almost no ability to open their mouth against resistance. So when a crocodile grabs prey too large to swallow whole, it performs a death roll. It clamps down and spins its entire body at high speed along its long axis. The spinning generates enormous torque that tears flesh and rips limbs from sockets. One roll can remove an entire leg from a large animal. They store prey underwater, wedged under logs for days. They let it decompose until it is soft enough to tear apart. Crocodiles are patient killers. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever existed on Earth, not just alive today, ever. Larger than any dinosaur that ever lived. Their heart weighs about 400 pounds and is roughly the size of a small golf cart. It beats only 8 to 10 times per minute when diving. A human child could crawl through the aorta. The main artery is so wide that a basketball could pass through it. Each heartbeat pumps 60 gallons of blood. Their tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant. Their mouth can hold enough water to fill a swimming pool. 100 tons of animal powered by krill the size of your fingernail. A blue whale calf drinks over 50 gallons of milk per day and gains 200 pounds every 24 hours. It is the fastest growing animal on Earth. Like if this scale blows your mind. Follow POV Science for more.